The witch opened the top part of her head. She asked her friend next to her for help. A boy was hiding and watching all this. Before he could understand anything, the other witches also took off their fake faces. Some of them had no toes on their feet. Some had shiny bald heads under their thin black and yellow hair. They took off their gloves, and inside were dry, wrinkled hands with strange bumps on their heads. Then one witch started talking. She said, "Everyone must bring a child, but do not touch the ones who have special protection on their bodies. If anyone fails the mission, the ending will be very, very bad." As soon as she said this, blue laser beams came out of her eyes and turned a small witch into ash. All the other witches started shaking with fear. Meanwhile, the boy outside heard some sounds and started to come in. The witches quickly changed back into their human forms so no one would doubt them. They called the boy inside. He walked in shyly, and they gave him a candy. As soon as he ate the candy, his body started shaking, and within seconds, he turned into a tiny mouse. All the witches tried to grab him, but the boy was fast. In one quick move, he jumped into a vent pipe and saved his life, or his mouse life.